Hi. Let's talk about how to create a profitable online business idea. Creating a profitable online business idea. This is the very first thing any internet entrepreneur should focus on to successfully make money online. This is the make it or break it factor to be successful online or offline. You may spend a lot of time, effort and money chasing the wrong idea. This step is the most important step. Frankly, there is no right or wrong way to brainstorm ideas. There are only best practices, common sense and of course some luck. Create a profitable online business idea by inventing something new. This is rarest and the hardest of them all. Like Thomas Edison, who developed many devices that greatly influenced our lives. From the motion picture camera to the long-lasting electric light bulb. If you can picture a certain product or service that would make people's lives easier, then you are on business. Tim Ferriss did this. The author of the world phenomenon The 4-Hour Work Week, where he preached to live an awesome lifestyle while putting your business on autopilot. He is a master hacker and he managed to outsource his life and his business very cheaply. He has built a huge passionate following who are ready to help him sell or promote his products, and he gives them his mind, body and soul. Create a profitable online business idea by fulfilling a personal need. If you need a product or a service, be certain that there are other people who are searching for a solution for the exact same problem. Personally, when I was a project manager at one of the biggest engineering firms, I had to self-study every single day and night to be able to compete and sustain my edge at that level and to deliver projects on time, under budget and at the highest quality standards. Self-learning was not easy and taking courses and workshops were both time and money consuming. My first online business was an e-learning hub for professionals, filled with articles, audio and video training and discussion boards. I added more value by giving them assignments and research work to further solidify the learning experience and make it as practical and as close to real life as possible. I developed it further and created a membership area for different niches like project management professionals and marketing professionals, etc. Professionals would post their most urgent questions and problems and collaborate with others on how to solve them. As you can see, I took a simple e-learning portal and turned it into a thriving community filled with passionate professionals who are sharing their ideas, experiences and recommendations. They set goals and worked hard to achieve them. And we congratulated each other for the completion of our goals. We were such a beautiful little community. Do you have a current need? Write it down. It may be your next big thing. Create a profitable online business idea by making people's lives easier. We are in love with the easy way. We go to Google to find a quick answer and we ask a friend for a recommendation. We want the easiest and the shortest route to our goals. If you can develop an idea to make people's lives easier, they will love you for that. Google made our lives easier and now we can find exactly what we need in a blink of an eye. And they are going that extra mile every single day, from local search, blog search, scholar search, image search, movie search, news search and every other kind of search you can think of. Mint made our lives easier in terms of managing our personal finances. They develop free and premium software to help people control and manage their budgets more efficiently. They were one of the fastest growing companies in the world and they were featured in the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal and Money Magazine as the best tool to manage your personal finances. AWeber CEO and founder Tom Coulter was a sales leader for a computer hardware firm in mid-90s. He noticed that leads were falling due to lack of proper follow-up from the sales agents. He went on his way and started Aweber, the best email marketing solution I have ever used and the #1 in the scene right now. Create a profitable online business idea by upgrading your current idea and make it better. Not everyone has the vision to spot a growing trend or a specific need. So it's easier to develop and upgrade a current business idea and make it better than the original one. Google did this when they witnessed that search engines were merely displaying search with no clear standards. They developed a search engine that displays results based on user preferences and history by exploiting cookies. Try to search for any term and make your friend search for the exact same term with different computer and you would find different results as Google scans your history and browsing behavior by a very complex algorithm and displays the most relevant results for you. Tumblr did this when 21 years old David Karp saw the growing interest in Twitter and blogs. He combined the best of both worlds. Many people loved to share on Twitter, but the 140 characters and the limitations were an issue for some. Others wanted a platform to express themselves freely, but blogs were too technical or too serious for them. Create a profitable online business idea by offering unbelievable service. Sometimes we can't figure out a new business idea or an upgrade to a current business model. Well, the best thing to do is to choose a business model you like. Study it and differentiate yourself, not by lowering prices. I am totally against this strategy BTW, but by offering unbelievably good service. Zappos did it. They started by offering great shoes for sales on their website like the hundreds of thousands of other websites. But they took the customer service to limits never seen before. They would occasionally send you flowers or a present or a voucher at your birthday. Actually, there is a documented phone call that lasted for 8 hours. This is how far they took it. The result? Now they are making over $1 billion in sales each year. They are the biggest shoes retailer. And their huge customer base do all the promotion and advertising work for them because they were happy and impressed. Create a profitable online business idea by entering a very specific niche. A niche is a group of people sharing a specific interest, hobby or career. You can take a large business idea and break it down to its niche components, study each one and build a business around one niche. LinkedIn is the largest professional social network in the world. They took the Facebook concept and simplified things. They didn't need millions of teens, housewives and TV stars. They chose professionals and entrepreneurs and they built a website specifically designed to serve them. Pat Flynn, who is one of my favorite bloggers of all time, did this when he first started with his lead exam training website. It's a certificate in the architecture world. He targeted architects who want to take the exam and build the best study guides to help them understand the materials and pass the exam. He passed the exam himself first, so he knew what does it take to pass it. Result was over $200,000 in gross sales in his first year, and he is doing much better since then with his awesome SPI blog. You can do this. Analysis the big businesses and break them down. Find what would be an interest for you and build a website around it. As an example, I may consider analyzing LinkedIn itself and see the small components inside. Well, you may start a young professional social network or an executive level social network or project manager's social network. Decide first. Create a profitable online business idea based on your passions and fears. Same concept here. If you are passionate about something, there is a good chance that others are in love with it too. If you are totally scared about something, you may research and learn to figure a solution and build a website offering that solution. Write down your passions, what you love to read about, listen to, or watch. Your dreams maybe. Or maybe your fears. Write them down. Then rewrite them again. Pin them and look at them every day. Add or delete. I assure you would find something interesting. Example, I love racing games. I may go and build a Need for Speed fans website offering latest news and game hacks. I may then offer a simple ebook selling my very best tricks to beat the boss in the game. Figure yours, it may be as simple as that. I hate bugs. I completely hate it, especially ants. I may build a website and post my latest solutions to get rid of them. Organic solutions maybe. Then present them in an ebook. I love working out. I am a 14 years athlete and I practiced everything. I did start a website based on how to lose weight for the business professionals. I offered straightforward advice for people who can't afford severe dieting or hours of training. Create a profitable online business idea by being weird. Yes, this is not a typo. Although this is not my thing, but some people are flooding their bank account with this. Tucker Peas, please note that his stories are not for everyone. They are uncomfortable for many. Please don't read on his blog if you are easily offended. He is a plier and he wanted to document his adventures in a book. Well, every publishing house refused to publish it. He didn't give up and he built a website and published his stories for free so everyone can see them. For more information, please click my link in the description. Thanks.